What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to discuss the S&P 500 did hit all-time highs, 7,000 on the S&P 500 with the NASDAQ around 24,000. This has been wild. My portfolio is growing. Let's go over the portfolio. Let's go over stocks that I think you should be buying. And let's reiterate the plays that we have made on TikTok and also on our YouTube channel. Follow for more. Guys, this is the power of buying every single week. 500 bucks every single Monday. You can see the dates here. Let's see what it added up to. The gains are awesome. The portfolio is exploding. Look at FSPGX. All I'm doing is buying 500 bucks every single Monday. We're about at $85,000 invested. We have almost 2,300 shares, which is excellent. Up 24%. We're up $20,000 on FSPGX alone, which is excellent. Microsoft finally in the green. You guys know I've been buying this stock like crazy, hand over fist. 90K invested, 405 cost basis. We are finally up 1%. Take a screenshot. We haven't realized any gains, but it's nice to see Microsoft in the green for once, up $4,000 today on that 4% move. SCHY, a new add to the portfolio, and FTIHX. Also with Google up 116%, up 10 grand off of a $9,000 investment, which is awesome. Take a look at Microsoft stock. We are finally starting to get back into this channel, and this is very interesting. You see, we were talking about buying these dips. We bought a little early. We averaged down at $360. We're starting to blast up now, as you can see. Looking here, does it look like it wants to pull back? Look at the strength of this Microsoft into the after hours, around $414 per share. We're going to continue to watch this position. Let's continue to hold and see where it goes. I want to show you Google as well. Google is appreciating in value. I'm collecting a nice little divvy, and now it is retesting all-time highs. Looking at the 6-month chart, $349 is the next retest. It is about to hit resistance around 340. Let's see what it does right there. Now let's go over a few stocks I've been calling out that you could have gotten if you watch my TikTok or my YouTube channel or you joined the WAP. We knew that Avgo was a go from $300 per share. I hope you guys have bought this. I picked this up in my other accounts. We are up a nice pretty penny on these guys as well. Avgo 300 all the way up to 397. We're up 27% in about 2 weeks. That is an awesome gain. AMC, we called this one out. I put this on my TikTok to buy at $1. It is up over 60% on that buy entry. Look at this right here, 65%. Excellent on that as well. Now, when you look at the SPY, this is pretty awesome to see. We are testing $700 per share. So now with the SPY at 7,000, this is very interesting because we're above all-time highs at 695. This has an opportunity to continue to grow. Also, Tesla. Tesla is something I think you should be paying attention to as well. Look at Tesla here, breaking through 360, had positive news today, it's 385. Now we are going to be retesting $385. I would pay attention to that level. I just want to go over something that a little birdie was watching. If you look at Bird stock, this was the AI play with shoes. This has blown all the way up from $2 today. Congrats on you guys that got this play. I was looking at it $8. Didn't take the trade. It would have been nice. It's up 800%. It has pulled back to $12, so that's about a 350% gain if you are holding down in the $2 range. Pretty excellent to watch. I want you to pay attention to United Healthcare as well. As long as it stays above $300 per share, I'm very bullish on United Healthcare. You just got to be careful that obviously the news and sentiment can change this as well. ASML had its earnings today, and that sold all the way off from $15.58 down to $14.15, about an 8% pullback, which is not bad. If you look at the last 6-month performance, even if you were just holding this entire time, these earnings, they were good. They were great blowout earnings, but the bar is really high and up 61% year to date. You have to kind of put that into consideration as you move forward. Guys, do not sleep on Nike stock. Nike stock is blasting up right here, held that bottom at $42. Now I'm interested in this play. We're starting to get up. I want to see a retest of this $43. If we can get a retest here, that 43, that would be nice to see. So we're going to be watching this level tomorrow. If we get a retest, that would be excellent. We are up 44,000 on the year, 3,000 this month. We made $300 trading UNH today. So we're on a roll right now. Guys, be sure to like, subscribe, and watch the videos on this channel on YouTube. They're all free just for you. You can go on the playlist and learn about investing, index funds, ETFs. You can join the members only playlist if you just want to support the channel Trading Simplified. And if you want to learn about day trading, I'm going to be making more tutorials on this as well because Fidelity has activated the Fidelity Active Trader Pro, the new update software for it. So we'll have to go through that as well. But I appreciate you guys tuning in. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.